Have you ever wanted to make delicious fried rice at home that tastes just as good as your favorite takeout? Today, we are making an easy fried rice recipe using simple ingredients like cooked rice, colorful vegetables, and eggs. Fried rice is quick, flexible, and perfect for using up leftover rice. You can enjoy it as a simple side dish or add your favorite protein to turn it into a complete meal. With a few simple tips, you will get that perfect texture every time. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making one of the easiest and most satisfying homemade meals. You do not need expensive ingredients or complicated techniques. With just a hot pan and a few staples, you can create something amazing in minutes. For this recipe, you will need cold cooked rice, eggs, carrots, peas, and green onions. We will also use garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a bit of ginger for extra flavor. The ingredients are simple, but the technique makes all the difference. Let's talk about the most important part, the rice. For the best results, cold leftover rice is much better than freshly cooked rice. Fresh rice has too much moisture and can become sticky, while cold rice helps each grain stay separate. If you only have fresh rice, spread it out on a tray to cool completely or refrigerate it for a while. Now, let's prep the vegetables. Peel and finely dice the carrots, chop the onion, and mince the garlic. Slice those green onions thinly for later. Crack your eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and whisk them lightly. We want them mixed well enough to cook evenly. Eggs add great color and texture to the dish. You can use 2 or 3 depending on your preference. Place a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Let it get properly hot before adding the oil. Fried rice cooks fast, and a hot pan prevents the ingredients from getting soggy. Swirl the oil around to coat the bottom. Pour the eggs into the hot pan. Let them cook for a few seconds, then gently scramble them. Keep them soft rather than completely dry. Once they are done, move them to a plate so we can add them back later. Add a little more oil if needed, then toss in the carrots and onions. Stir-fry them until they are slightly tender. Add the minced garlic and ginger now, making sure they become fragrant without burning. Now for the star of the show, the cold rice. Add it to the pan and use your spatula to gently break up any large clumps. Spread it out and toss everything together, keeping the heat high enough to fry rather than steam. Time for the seasonings. Pour in some soy sauce and a little black pepper. Drizzle in a bit of sesame oil for that classic aroma. Stir until every grain of rice is evenly coated and turns a beautiful golden color. Return the cooked eggs to the
Kita
pan
tambahin
and break them
butternya
into
lagi ya
smaller
guys.
pieces as you stir.
Sebelum
Now add
biar
the peas
mudah
and green
gitu,
onions.
kasih ruang
The
buat
heat from
butternya
the
biar
rice
nggak
will warm
meluber
the
gitu,
peas
biar nggak
quickly
susah
while keeping
kita.
the onions fresh and
Lu
dry.
masukin butter.
If you want to make chicken fried rice, simply add cooked, bite-sized chicken pieces now. You can also use shrimp, beef, or tofu. This is the beauty of this recipe, it is incredibly easy to customize with whatever you have. A major secret to great fried rice is not overcrowding the pan. If you are making a large batch, cook it in smaller rounds. This keeps the temperature high so the rice actually fries instead of becoming soft and mushy. Also, avoid adding too much sauce. Liquid can make the rice wet. Add a little at a time and taste as you go. You can always add more flavor, but you cannot take the moisture out once it is there. For a restaurant-style flavor, you can add a tiny bit of oyster sauce or white pepper. The key is balance. You want all the flavors to work together without any single seasoning overpowering the rest of the dish. Keep tossing the rice for another minute or 2 until everything is hot and well combined. Taste it one last time to adjust the seasoning. Once it looks and smells perfect, turn off the heat. Transfer your fried rice to a bowl and garnish with extra green onions or sesame seeds. It should be colorful, savory, and inviting. Serve it immediately while it is piping hot for the best experience. Fried rice works as a full meal or a side dish for teriyaki chicken or stir-fried veggies. It is also great for meal prep since it stores well. Just keep it in an airtight container in the fridge and reheat it thoroughly. To recap the big tips, use cold rice, keep your pan hot, and do not oversauce. Avoid the common mistake of using wet rice or stirring too aggressively. Stick to these rules, and you will have perfect fried rice every time. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy homemade meals. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite type of fried rice? See you next time.